So let's figure out that how you can fix this issue in which your closed captions are not working, especially the auto-generated ones. And also the auto-translate feature may not be working for you. I watched many tutorials on YouTube, but none of them actually worked. So just hang on with me and I'll solve your issue in just a minute. I'll share 4 working solutions to this problem, and the third solution works 110%. So just hang on with me. So the very first solution is you have to first of all open up your App Store if you are on iPhone, and you have to open up your Play Store if you are on Android. And after that, you have to go to the search button and write here YouTube and hit the search button. And when this YouTube app appears up, you have to tap on it. And you have to first of all update your YouTube application by tapping on this little update button available right here. Keep in mind that 90% of the problems go away as soon as you update any of the application. So this was the first solution. After updating your YouTube application, closed captions should start working for you. But if this solution did not work, then let's move towards the second one, which is you have to open up your YouTube, and after that you have to go to your profile by tapping on this little profile menu available at the bottom right corner of the screen. And after that, tap on switch account, and you have to switch to another account or another channel in your YouTube application, and then try playing the video. If the issue is related to your account, then it will be solved, and then you can log in back to that previous account. So this was the solution number 2. But if this did not work, let's move towards the third one, which is you have to tap and hold on the application and tap on remove ad and delete the YouTube application and try reinstalling it after deleting it. For that purpose, you have to again go to App Store or Play Store and reinstall the deleted YouTube application, and then see if auto-generated or closed captions are working for you or not. But if this third solution also did not work, then let's move towards the fourth solution. And for that purpose, I have to open up my Google Chrome, and YouTube team itself has told us that closed captions are not working properly, and they had suggested the same solutions that I've just told you. But if you are still having trouble with closed captions or auto-generated captions on YouTube, this will just be fixed in a few days. So just keep your YouTube app updated and this will be solved. And also there are some videos on YouTube in which YouTube is not able to fetch the closed captions. So try playing another videos and see if the issue is related to only that video that you are trying to watch. Now let me tell you in the comments that which solution worked for you. If you have any other questions, let me know in the comments. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.